Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Aveeno Acne is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those battling persistent breakouts, offering a gentle yet effective approach to clearer skin. This line of products is specifically formulated to target acne without causing the dryness or irritation often associated with other treatments, making it a go-to for many seeking a reliable and soothing skincare regimen. If you're tired of dealing with blemishes and want to achieve a smoother, more radiant complexion, understanding the benefits and ingredients within the Aveeno Acne range is crucial for making an informed decision about your skincare journey. Number 5. CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. Introducing a powerful solution for acne-prone skin. This cleanser is designed to effectively treat breakouts and prevent new ones from forming. It features 4% benzoyl peroxide, a key ingredient known for its acne-fighting properties. This helps to clear blemishes and reduce inflammation. But it doesn't stop there. This formula is enriched with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. These ingredients work together to hydrate and soothe your skin. Experience a gentle yet effective daily acne treatment. It's suitable for use on your face, helping to maintain clear and healthy-looking skin. Achieve clearer and smoother skin with consistent use. This cleanser is your daily partner in the fight against acne. What we like. This cleanser is formulated with 4% benzoyl peroxide to effectively treat acne. It also contains hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides to help maintain the skin's moisture barrier. If you have moderate to severe acne and are looking for a powerful yet hydrating cleanser, this could be the one for you. What people say. This product is amazing and it works so well. I have been using this for a week now and my skin has cleared up so much. I would definitely recommend this product to anyone who is struggling with acne. Number 4. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. Discover a cleanser designed specifically for sensitive skin. It gently removes impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. Infused with nourishing oat, this formula helps to calm and restore your skin. Experience a soothing cleanse that leaves your face feeling refreshed. This daily hydrating cleanser provides essential moisture. It's non-foaming and hypoallergenic, making it perfect for even the most delicate complexions. Formulated without fragrances or harsh chemicals, it's also non-comedogenic. Enjoy a clean that won't clog your pores. Achieve calm, restored, and hydrated skin with every wash. This gentle face wash is your daily solution for a healthy-looking complexion. What we like. This cleanser is designed for sensitive skin, featuring a calming oat formula that is non-foaming. It gently cleanses without stripping the skin. If you have easily irritated or sensitive skin and prefer a mild, non-foaming cleanser, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Aveeno Acne Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer is a lightweight, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly into the skin. It contains salicylic acid, a proven acne-fighting ingredient, which helps to clear existing blemishes and prevent new ones from forming. Users have reported a noticeable reduction in acne breakouts and improved skin texture after consistent use. Number 3. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. Introducing the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. It's designed to calm and restore your sensitive skin. This lightweight gel cream absorbs quickly, providing instant hydration without any greasy residue. Formulated with prebiotic oat, it helps to nourish your skin's moisture barrier. It's fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types. Experience a calmer, more restored complexion with this soothing facial moisturizer. The unique gel cream texture feels refreshing and leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. What we like. This is a lightweight gel moisturizer that absorbs quickly, enriched with prebiotic oat. It's designed to soothe and hydrate sensitive skin without feeling heavy. If you're looking for a non-greasy moisturizer that calms and nourishes, especially if you have sensitive or combination skin, consider this option. What people say. Aveeno Acne Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer is a great addition to my skincare routine. This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated and smooth. It contains salicylic acid, which helps to exfoliate the skin and prevent breakouts. Number 2. Aveeno Positively Radiant Clear Complexion Face Moisturizer. Achieve clearer, more radiant skin with this powerful facial moisturizer. It's specially formulated to combat acne and leave your complexion looking its best. Tired of breakouts? This moisturizer is designed to tackle acne effectively. Its potent ingredients work to clear blemishes and prevent future ones. Harness the benefits of soy and salicylic acid. These key ingredients help to refine your skin's texture and promote a smoother, clearer appearance. If you have oily skin, this is the perfect solution for you. It helps to control shine without stripping your skin, leaving it feeling balanced and refreshed. Experience a gentle yet effective formula. It's hypoallergenic, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for even sensitive skin types. The convenient pump design ensures easy and hygienic application every time. Get the perfect amount of product with just one press. What we like? This acne facial moisturizer contains salicylic acid and soy extract, targeting oily and acne-prone skin. It helps to clear blemishes while moisturizing. If you struggle with oily skin and breakouts and need a moisturizer that addresses both concerns, this product is worth considering. What people say. The product is effective in treating acne. It helps to clear up breakouts and prevent new ones from forming. Number 1. Neutrogena on-the-spot acne treatment. Introducing a powerful solution for your acne concerns. This targeted treatment is designed to effectively combat blemishes. Experience visibly clearer skin from day one. Its clinically proven formula works fast to reduce redness and swelling. Formulated with 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, it gently yet effectively treats acne-prone skin. You can trust it for daily use. Enjoy a vanishing formula that won't disrupt your day. It absorbs quickly, leaving no visible residue. Get the clear skin you deserve with this essential acne treatment. It's your go-to for on-the-spot blemish control. What we like? This is a spot treatment cream with 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, designed for targeted blemish control. Its vanishing formula makes it discreet. If you need a quick and effective solution for individual pimples and prefer a treatment that blends in easily, this is a great option. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for my skin. It has cleared up my acne and left my skin feeling smooth and refreshed. I love how gentle this product is on my skin, even though it's tough on acne. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.